Hi guys, let's see how to increase the volume on your iPad. So the very first fix is if you have a toothpick, okay, like this, the wooden thing, what you can do, you can just try to remove any dirt or debris which may get stuck in these holes. Try to clean it if there is any dirt or debris in these holes gently, so that it does not damages your iPad. As this is a wooden toothpick, this will not damage it. Just gently try to remove and clean these holes. Now this is the very first fix. The second fix is, what you can do, just go to settings. Okay, let's say you are listening to music in the music app, tap on it, and then on the right side you'll see this EQ option, tap on it and select late night. Okay, and then try to play the music and your volume will be increased. You can try different combinations also if it might help you. Okay, but the late night one will definitely help you with louder volume. Now another fix is, what you can do, you can just in the settings app go to sounds, this option sounds, tap on it, and here in the sounds you can find this option headphone safety, tap on it and just make sure this reduce loud audio is turned off. Okay, if it is on, turn it off. So this is also one of the method. Another thing which you can do is, if you are listening to music or playing some movie and you want increased sound, instead of putting it in on a normal surface, try to put it in a big bowl or something. Put your iPad in a big bowl so that the volume will appear to be louder, because it's kind of an echo of audio. So try to put it in a bigger bowl and then play some music and it'll appear much louder from before. So this is also one of the way with which you can increase the volume of your iPad. Thanks for watching. Please do like.